Hey, beautiful people. So I got a question from a client. They're asking, hey, what credit card is the best credit card to do a balance transfer? My answer to that is any credit card that will give you a great interest rate. So if you have say if you're paying 29%, and if you find a company that can give you 10% balance transfer rate and your credit is not the best, go with it. But if you have a high credit score, say if your credit score is higher, try to find companies that would do like a 0% introductory rate when you get a balance transfer. But try to look with credit unions. So I always tell clients, look with different credit unions out there, look at different bank credit cards. And if you guys want me to look up one specifically for you, if you need help with that, call or text us 833 Rickita. I can help you try to find other credit cards that may be suitable for your credit report. Everybody credit report is different. So when it comes down to do a balance transfer, I mean, like any company that's willing to do the balance transfer, they're going to give you a better interest rate. And then check and see if they're going to charge you fees too, because you really don't want to pay any fees to do this balance transfer. But see if you're going to get charged any fees, and go with the company that's going to do it at the lower interest rate. The only reason why a lot of people do balance transfer is because they have a high interest rate on that credit card. So say if you have let's just say you have a Capital One credit card and you have a 26% interest rate, and you max it out and now it's a $2,000 balance or even a $10,000 balance, I would tell you to try to find a credit card company that will do a balance transfer for you with like a 0% introductory rate. But usually, like, to get 0% introductory rate credit cards, you're going to really need like a 680 or higher credit score. So if your credit score is not there, if you don't have a high credit score like that, if you can find a credit union that can do a balance transfer for you and they can give you like a 9% or a 10% interest rate on credit card, that's going to be better for you, because now you're not paying 30% interest rate on that, or a 26% interest rate that you'll be paying on a Capital One credit card. So just make sure that whatever company you go with, they're going to give you a great rate. And if you raise your credit score because you did everything you need to do, like pay down your credit cards to boost your credit score, you start deleting some of those accounts and negative accounts that you may have, then try to get the 0% introductory rate credit cards, because those will be the best for you. And don't forget, when it comes down to balance transfer, you don't have to transfer it into another credit card. You can also get a loan too at a low interest rate. So you can get a loan at a low interest rate and just make monthly payments on it. So that's a good option too, especially if you want to just go ahead and knock it out, and you don't want to pay a higher rate. Because sometimes if you get a loan, you can get that at a low interest rate, especially if you're in that situation where you're coming from a 26% or a 30% and you're only coming down. So you only really, you're only going to get about that 10%. So if you can find a loan that can give you a better rate than 10% and you can have it paid off within a year or two, go with that too. Because sometimes some clients will have these same credit cards for 3 or 4 years and they're still paying on it when they should have just got a loan and knock it out. But like I said, if you have any questions, call or text me. I'm just going on and on about this, but call or text me if you have any questions, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.